Hello guys, this is Yogesh with a new tutorial on Photoshop. So guys, in this video I will show you what is Photoshop and what is new in Photoshop 2017 CC. So guys, the Photoshop CC 2017 had released last month, in which many new features has been added and there are many cool things in this Photoshop. Firstly, I will give you the introduction on this video. Okay guys, firstly there is a panel which you can see. This is a file panel in which you can open an image, browse in bridge, open as any other drawing, close, save, export to other formats, search, adapt, stock and automate and import anything you want from either PDF or you can any scanner which you have it attached with your system. Edit Edit is also a bar in which we have used the Photoshop like fill, stroke, clear, paste, copy, special, puppet, free transform or many other new things. Image, in which we made adjustment to the image, like adjustment like we have brightness. Because I will open an image and I will show you. I will open desktop. I open this. So, okay guys, when I go to image I choose adjustment. I can take brightness, contrast of image, anything I want to do. Okay guys, and I can choose any image type, auto tone, auto contrast, frame adjustments, curves. I also choose curves to make the image like me. You can see that like some. Okay guys, after that I can choose anything like auto contrast adjustments to color balance, black and white. I will also take my use, also make the image black and white, like directly that from that. I use image adjustment, posterize, threshold, gradient map and many new things I will tell you later on the next videos. Layer, the layer part is the important part in Photoshop, in which we have to make layer. That is for a background layer, this is log, but we have to click double times so it make the layer 0, which we can edit it simply. If the layer is locked, there is no work on that layer. Next one is type. There are type to including anti-alias as font, or you can simply take type from there also. Select, we should select all the layers, deselect layer, find the layer, isolate layer is in the layer part. I will show you later. Filter, in this is a very important part in Photoshop. You can use lens correction if you want to add lens or anything, which you can be light, camera, mode, anything you want to do on that. Then is adaptive wide angle camera, top filters, then can liquify 3D effects if you want to give 3D effects to your image. Noise, add noise which you can clear, you know that. And filter and sharpen the image, is sharpen, shake, reduction or anything you want to do is using this type. 3D, the 3D is introduced in Photoshop CC after the release of CC. Every Photoshop has 3D effect. View, if you want to zoom out, zoom all, there is a window. If you want to do brushes in your that, you can add brushes in your panel. Anything you want to tick that and you can find anything you want on your workspace. The workspace essentially you can change to 3D, graphic, web, motion, painting, photo as per your needs. And if you make any error, so you can reset essentials. Help, you can find help from here from above Photoshop. Okay guys, this is a panel. This is a very useful panel to use. You can click there to make it double or you make things single. This is a move tool. You can use move tool to move or simply press V for moving the image. I use this is select command. It is a rectangular in which you can rectangle marquee tool, like a marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single row marquee tool. This is lasso tool. Lasso tool is very useful if you want to select an image or particular thing you want to like. Lasso tool is used to select the things in that way. After that, okay guys, then it was history. If you make quick selection tool, sorry, it is a use of selection the entire image or body to simple way. It is very useful. Magic Wand tool is select by its pixels and simply way. This is very useful if you want to make criticized drawings. Okay guys, then you have crop tool. If you want to crop anything you want to show, use crop tool. where here many, if you right click on that, you can find crop tool, perspective crop tool, slash crop tool, and I will tell you later about that. Next, don't crop. Next one is, this is was an eyedropper tool. Your ruler tool, if you want to use ruler, or you can think about sites and anything, I will tell you this also in later video fully. So don't worry guys, I will tell you on the next previous videos which videos are coming. Okay guys, then this was erase spot healing brush tool. Spot the new introduced tool. New in pure Photoshop you have a healing brush tool or patch tool, but in this Photoshop we have spot healing brush tool, patch tool, content away move tool, and red eye tool. Healing brush tool is used to select, firstly select, and I want to select that, so it remains at that. You can see that guys. One select tools. A brush tool, if you want to brush anything, which is you choose color, and you can find there are many types of brushes which can use. You also add brushes from downloading from other websites or many other websites which you make brushes, and you can change the brushes from anything you want to draw. Okay guys, you can see that this brush. Okay, the even clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool just like a healing brush, but it was very different. You must give an alt, take that, and take the color of that. Definitely history. If you make an identifier, you can choose history brush tool. It can do the history, or you can simply click from there to history, clone stamp, or anything. Okay guys, next one is this for eraser. Eraser tool, you can see the eraser to erase the image. Next one is gradient. If you want to add gradient in your Photoshop, gradient is very useful. If you want to make gradient, you can see that is for a gradient effect. But I use history, control jar, or might be erase. This was an eyedropper tool, blow tool. You can use blur to blur the image, or you can simply sharpen. If you want to make size harden, you can also make size hard. So guys, you can see they are working. You can see that the effect has been done as there. And there are blur tool, sharper to smudge tool. Even dog tool, burn tool. If you want to burn effect on your image, you can see that the image has been burning. These are pen tool. Pen tool is the father of the lasso tool. Pen tool is a very effective tool which is used by the professionals and also photographers to use in their pictures and their graphics. Pen tool is the father of the lasso tool because we can take choice point like that, or you can also make that. Simply make anything with a pen tool. So the pen tool is the father of the lasso tool. Guys, text, you can see text, you can make text. Choose color, I choose color black. You can change size, I want to change size too. You can see I want to write Yogesh. You can simply click that and give effect to that. I will show you in a later video, or you can make 3D image like that. That is, it was a path selection tool. If you want to select a path of any pen tool, or you can use that. Rectangular tool, if you want to make custom image. Custom shape tool, you can make custom shapes like from there shapes, fill stroke, and you can find shape from there, and you can choose any shape you want, like trademark. You can also add, you can also add anything you want to show. This was an hand tool. If you want to any image you want to rotate hand view. If you want to rotate, this was zoom tool. You can zoom, or you can show the pixels which vary size the window to fit. You can choose small, zoom all windows, or you can choose anything. And this is a color palette. If you want to choose color, click that color and you can find that color. So guys, this is only an introduction video. For the future videos I will show you full Photoshop from layer to layer and from beginner to the advanced. So guys, thanks for watching. Please, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and have a great day. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe if you like this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.